Hello. We are live again. Well, this is better, isn't it? Lovely. Hello. Welcome. Just going to wait until we get some audience. Hopefully turn up. Welcome to another Live at 5. Jumped in a couple of minutes earlier again, just to build the audience. We are in a different room, as you can see. We're downstairs, and hopefully soon we'll get an audience for our second maths lesson. Today we are looking at our 3 times table and our 4 times table. If you have seen the post earlier, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. We've got a viewer. Thank goodness for that. I didn't think anyone was turning up. Hello. Nice to see you. Oh, I can't see you, but nice for you to be here. Just waiting a couple more minutes for an audience to build up. We come downstairs, which means that your view today does include the sofa and the TV, which is, of course, isn't on. Lots of active fitness learning. We have got an audience building now, which is fantastic. I will take this opportunity to show off the socks, the winning socks, barbecue socks today. So we'll have another sock vote at the end of the stream. But we have got an audience building, guys, so I'm going to start again. Nice to see you all. Thank you for joining me. Our second inspired maths lesson. We've moved downstairs. Reason we've moved downstairs is that hopefully you will see my whole face for the whole of the stream. I have realised that to get me all in, okay, I either need to put the camera really down low, which is where we are, which is why it should be facing upwards, or I'd have to hang it in the sky. And I couldn't quite do that because although I have been told that I look like Harry Potter, I don't have any of the skills. If you have a piece of paper and a pencil, you are ready to go. If you don't, okay, try and grab a piece of paper and a pencil. If you haven't got any paper or you haven't got any pencils, you will need 3 items, okay? Just 3 random objects in your household. But if you can have paper and a pencil, that is good. We're going to leave it 30 more seconds, okay? Please comment who's watching, where you're from, what's your day been like. Beautiful day outside. Well done if you stayed inside. We're going to give it a few more seconds and then we will get going. But this is the second inspired maths video, and we were looking at our 3 and 4 times tables today. I think we're going to get going. Okay, so as I said, 3 and 4 times tables today, but every video we will have a warm-up of the 2 times table, the 5 times table and the 10 times table. Now I realised yesterday a lot of it was solo activity, and just because I'm on my own doesn't mean that you might be on your own. So each lesson now, each maths lesson, we're going to play a warm-up game, and this is a game that you can play on your own, you can play with the people around you, okay, or you can play against me. And this is where we need the paper and the pencil. So if you've got a paper and pencil, I want you to take a piece of paper. I want you to split it into 3 parts, okay? Doesn't have to be equal, but take the paper. 1, 2, and 3. 3 parts, okay? On the first part, we're going to write the number 2. So the number 2, which you can see very faintly. I've just done there. It might be backwards, but there's the number 2, okay? On the second piece of paper, we're going to write the number 5, okay? The number 5 right there. And on the third piece of paper, we're going to write the number 10, okay? The number 10. So you should have 3 pieces of paper, 1 with a 2 on, 1 with a 5 on, and 1 with a 10 on. If you don't have any paper and pencils, you need 3 objects, and you need to decide which object is the number 2 object, which object is the number 5 object, and which object is the number 10 object. And this is what I'd like you to do. In your space, and I'm going to move all the way back so that you can see me, okay? Hopefully I'm in your whole shot. You need to place your pieces of paper somewhere in your space. So I'm going to put down my number 2 over to the left. I'm going to put down my number 5 in the middle. And I'm going to put down my number 10 on my right hand side. It doesn't matter that you can't see my pieces of paper. Just what matters is that you can see your pieces of paper. Okay, so this is where you decide whether you do it on your own, against someone in the household, against me. I am going to give you a number. Okay, it's a number that you will know. Okay, and you need to pick up the piece of paper, the times table piece of paper that number goes into. Okay, so for example, if I gave you the number 4, okay, the number 4 is part of the 2 times table. So you pick up the 2 piece of paper and run back to the middle, okay? If you are competing against someone, the winner is the first person to grab that piece of paper or grab that object, okay? Let's do one more example, okay? If I was to give you 15, okay, the number 15 is in the 5 times table, okay? So you would pick up the number 5, okay? 15 in the 5 times table. Now, I know some of you will already be asking, what if I say a number which is in more than one of the times tables? So for example, if I said the number 10, okay, 10 is in the 2 times table, is in the 5 times table, is in the 10 times table, so you would have to pick up all 3. So if I said 10, you would have to pick up all 3, okay? And if you are competing against somebody else, okay, see if you win each one, or if you're competing against me, if you're on your own, see if you can do it quicker than me, okay? So, we are ready to go. If you have just joined the stream, okay, what we're doing, that piece of paper, split it into 3, okay, write a 2 on one, a 5 on another, and a 10. So you've got 3 pieces of paper, 2, 5 and 10, put them on the floor and pick up the video when you can. But we're ready to start, okay? So the first number is 6. Where are we going to go? Number 6, go, go, go! Oh, well done. Number 6 is in the 2 times table, okay, 2, 4, 6. Well done. Did you beat the person you're playing against? Did you beat me? Okay, put it back down, okay? Are we ready? Jogging on the spot. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Your next number is 20. 20. Quick, which one's you going to pick up for 20? I know I am. 1, 2, 3. Well done, because 20 is in your 2 times table, your 5 times table, and your 10 times table. So you should have picked up all 3 for 20. Well done. Put them back down. Put them back down. Okay. Your next number is 35. 35. Which times table is number 35 in? Quick, go, go, go! Well done if you picked up the number 5. 5s go into 35, okay? Not 2s, not 10s. 5s go into 35. Well done. Okay, are you ready for the next number? Jogging on the spot, jogging on the spot, jogging on the spot. The next number is 16. 16, 1, 6, 16. Where are you going to go? Where are you going to go? Oh, there we go, I dropped it. Did you beat me? 16 is in the 2 times table. Well done, okay? 16 is in the 2 times table. Jogging on the spot, jogging on the spot, jogging on the spot. The next number, are we ready? The next number is 5. Go, quick, the number 5. Where are you going to go? Where are you going to go? There we go. I've picked up the number 5. 5 is in the 5 times table. It's not in the 2 times table. It's definitely not in the 10 times table. Okay. 5 is in the 5 times table. Well done. Put it back down. Jogging on the spot. Jogging on the spot. No cheating now. Jogging on the spot. Wait for the number. Wait for the number. The next number is 24. 24. 2, 4. 24. Where are you going to go? Where are you going to go? Where are you going to go? Quick. Well done. 24 is in the 2 times table. Fantastic. Well done. Let's keep going. Let's do a couple more. Jogging on the spot, jogging on the spot, jogging on the spot. The next one is the number 10. The number 10. How many pieces of paper are you going to pick up? Think about it. The number 10. Oh, well done. 10 is in the 2 times table, the 5 times table, and the 10 times table. Well done. If you picked up all 3 for the number 10. Okay, we keep going. We're going to do three more numbers. Here we go, jogging on the spot, jogging on the spot, jogging on the spot. The next number is 25, 25, 25, 25. Have a think, where are you going to go, where are you going to go? Well done if you picked up the number 5, okay? 25 is in the 5 times table. Well done. Put it back down. 2 more, guys. Jogging on the spot, jogging on the spot, jogging on the spot. The next number is the number 20 again. 20. Think about it. 20. How many pieces of paper are you going to pick up? 20. Let's go. 2, 5, 10. Well done. 20 is in the 10 times table. It's in the 5 times table. It's in the 2 times table. Fantastic. Last one. Jogging on the spot, jogging on the spot, jogging on the spot. The final one. The final one is, when's it going to come? 12. 12. 12 is the last number. Which number are you going to pick up? Which piece of paper? Well done if you picked up the 2 times table. Okay, guys, well done. That is our warm-up done. We might need these again. So, if you can, leave them on the side. We may use them tomorrow. Don't worry though, it's not that important. Okay, but if you can't use them, definitely recycle them. Okay, don't use them for toilet paper. Try not to. Okay, right. Let's see how we're going. We've got some viewers. That's all right. Guys, we are moving on to our 3 times table and our 4 times table. It's going to work very similar to yesterday's video. Okay, so I'm going to ask you how many 3s or how many 4s, okay, are in so and so, okay, and then we'll work up the answer together and then we'll do the activity. So even if you don't know the answer, you can have a go at the activity and you can have a go at the maths. Before we do that questioning, together we're going to call out all the numbers in the times table up to 12 times 3, 12 times 4. We're going to start with our 3 times table, okay? 3 times table. So, standing up in your own space, let's see what we've got planned. Okay, to count our 3 times table, we are going to do some high knees, okay? So a high knee is like a march, but I want to see your knees up as high as possible. If you would like to give yourself a challenge, try and have your hands up in front, okay? And have your knees touching the top of your hands, okay? That little slap that you can hear, because that shows me you're getting your knees up really high. So we're going to go for our 3 times table together. And whilst we're doing that, I want to see the high knees up, okay? All right, here we go. The 3 times table. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 6, 9, 12. Get those knees up. 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. There's an old lady looking at me thinking, what's going on? Okay, well done. 3 times table, up to 36, okay? You know your 3s. Are you ready for some questions? So remember, I'm going to ask you how many 3s are in one of those numbers, okay? Count your 3s up and then we'll do the answer together, okay? To do this, we are going to do what is known as a jumping lunge, a lunge jump. Now if you go to a school which has an inspired playground, you will know the lunge is one of the Mr. White activities. And when we lunge, we step forward on one leg and we lean, okay? Now that's a normal lunge. A jumping lunge, okay, is in that position. What you're going to do is you're going to swap the position of your legs. So you can see, I'll go side on for you. My front leg is here, my back leg is there. A jumping lunge, I'm going to hold my hands in front, and I'm just going to swap position of my legs. Hold your balance, that is 1, 2, 3, okay? So that is a jumping lunge. So when you've worked out the answer, and we do the activity together, that's what we're going to be doing, okay? So, first question. How many 3s are in 15? How many 3s are in 15? Okay? Have a think, count up, do your 3 times table. Are you ready to give me an answer? 3, 2, 1. What's the answer? The answer is 5. Well done. There are 5 threes in 15. So we're going to do 5 lunge jumps. I'm going to do it side on as well so you can see. Are you ready? Hands are in front. Let's do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it there. Well done. Back to the next question. How many threes are there in 21? How many threes in 21? Count up in your threes. Count up in your threes. How many threes are there in 21? Have a think. Make sure you've got the answer in your head. How many threes are there in 21? Are you ready to give me an answer? 3, 2, 1. Shout it out. Well done. There are 7 threes in 21. So we are ready to do 7 lunge jumps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fantastic work, guys. Next question. How many threes are there in 9? How many threes in 9? Have a think. Use your head. Count up in your threes. Use addition with some of this, guys. Okay. Repeated addition, remember, is the same as multiplication. So 3 times 3, I might have just given the answer away. 3 times 3 is the same as 3 plus 3 plus 3. So there are 3 threes in 9. So we're going to do 3 lunge jumps. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Keep those hands in front. Okay, I'll try not to give the answer away before again. How many threes in 33? How many threes in 33? Oh, that's big. Have a think. If you're not sure, think about how many threes might go into 30 and then add 1 more 3. Use your 10 times table to help you. How many threes in 33? Are you ready to give me an answer? 3, 2, 1. Shout out the answer. Well done. There are 11 threes in 33. So big effort here, guys. We're going to do 11 lunge jumps. I'm going side again to show you. So remember, leaning on that front knee, arms in front. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Great effort, guys. We're going to go 2 more in our 3 times table. How many threes are in 12? How many threes are in 12? Count your threes up. Add your threes. Use your fingers. How many threes are in 12? Have a think. Have a think. Are you sure? Double check the answer. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Well done. There are 4 threes in 12. So we're going to do 4 lunge jumps. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Last one of the threes. How many threes are in 36? Oh, now, if you're not sure, who's got good memory? We said there were 11 threes in 33. So how many threes are there going to be in 36? Have a think. I'll give you a clue. We're going for one big last effort here. How many threes in 36? Are you ready to give me an answer? 3, 2, 1. Give me the answer. 12. Well done. So last effort, 12 lunge jumps. Standing side on if you want. Arms up in front. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fantastic effort, guys. Well done. Take a breather. Collapse on the floor. Let's see how the stream's going. We're getting there. We're staying strong. Fantastic. Okay, have a breather. In a second, we're going to go on to our 4 times table. So we've done our 3s. We've done our 2, 5 and 10 warm-up. We're ready to go on to our 4s. Okay, the 4 times table. Again, more key stage 2 than key stage 1. Appreciate that. Okay, maybe higher key stage 1 will know their 4s. But remember, you can always join in with the activities afterwards, even if you're not sure of the maths. Okay, are we ready to go? 4 times table. Okay, for our 4s, guys, we are going to count through them. Okay, like we did with the 3s. Whilst we're counting through them, we're going to do something called a mountain climber. So I want you to imagine you're climbing a mountain. You're climbing the Himalayas. You're climbing Mount Everest. Okay, you're climbing some of the hills getting to Neverstory. They may as well be mountains. They're absolutely massive. Okay, and for do a mountain climber, you are going to have to get down on all 4s. Okay, so extended arms. Okay, and your legs. Okay, You've got your knees bent, okay? So you're holding this position a bit like a frog, okay? And what we're going to do for a mountain climber is we're going to move our legs up and then move our legs down, okay? If you are on a carpet, you might want to do this barefoot. It might give you better grip, okay? If you're on a wooden floor, you definitely might want to do this in shoes or barefoot. Socks are going to slip everywhere, okay? But we're only doing this to count through the 4 times table, okay? So, hands down, feet ready, okay? Bit like a frog, okay? And we ready? The 4 times table. Here we go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Well done. All the way up to 12 times 4, 48. You could even see me there slipping, guys, so I hope none of you are on the floor. If you are on the floor, get up. We've got our 4 times table to do. So, for our 4 times table, we are going to do an activity called split jacks, okay? Split jacks. And they are half of your body doing lunge jumps. So your lower body doing lunge jumps, exactly the same. But this time, instead of your arms just being like that, okay, your arms are going to do star jumps, okay? So let me show you. A split jack. So we've got our legs doing exactly the same thing, but this time our arms are going to be like star jumps, okay? So this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, would be 5 split jacks. This is tough for your legs and your arms, but it's our last effort, okay? Ready for a big finish, guys. How many 4s? Are we ready? Take a moment, have a quick drink if you need one. How many 4s are in 16? Have a think. Count up in your 4s. How many 4s are in 16? Check you've got your answer right. Check with the people around you. How many 4s are in 16? Are you ready to give me an answer? 3, 2, 1. Shout it out. Well done. There are 4 4s in 16. So we're going to do 4 split jacks. So starting position. Ready to go. Arms out wide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. 4 done. Next question. How many 4s are in 28? Oh, how many 4s are in 28? Okay, now, if you're a little bit younger and you're not sure, if I told you that there were, how can we work this out? 5 4s in 20, okay? Remember that, might come back to it later. How many more 4s do we need to get to 28? Have a think. Are you ready to give me an answer? How many 4s in 28? Well done. There are 7 4s in 28. So we're going to do 7 split jacks. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fantastic effort. Well done, guys. Next question. How many 4s in 12? How many 4s in 12? All have a go at this. Count up in your 4s. Use your fingers if you're not sure. How many 4s in 12? Have a think. Are you ready to give me my answer? 3, 2, 1. Well done. Shout it out. There are 3 4s in 12. So we're ready to do 3, okay? Starting position. Nice and flexible. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Fantastic work, everybody. Next question. How many 4s are in 36? Oh, that is a tricky one. But again, guys, if you're not sure, if I give you a clue, if I told you there were 10 4s in 40, so in 40 there are 10 4s, and 36 is 1 less 4 than 40, have a think. Have I just given you a clue? Can you work it out? Can you ask around, people around you, can they work it out? How many 4s are in 36? Are you ready to give me your answer? Shout it out. Well done, that is 9. That is the correct answer. So we're ready to do 9, okay? Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fantastic. We've got 2 more to do, guys. Next question. How many 4s are in 20? There's another funny face through the window. How many 4s are in 20? I've given you the answer to this already. Who's got good memory? If you're not sure, who can remember? How many 4s are there in 20? Give me your answers in 3, 2, 1. There are 5 4s in 20. Well done. So, ready to do 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to do 2 more, guys. 2 more of these questions. You're doing really well so far. How many 4s are in 32? How many 4s in 32? Now, if I told you, remember, there are 10 4s in 40. There are 9 4s. Can't do my fingers. 9 4s in 36. How many 4s in 32? Are you ready to give me my answer? 3, 2, 1. Well done. The answer is 8. So we are ready to do 8. Turning sideways. Arms out. Ready to be a Superman, Superwoman, superhero. Who knows? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. Last one, guys. Last question of the day. You've done really well. How many 4s are in 48? It's a big finish. How many 4s are in 48? Remember, if there are 10 4s in 40, if there are 11 4s in 44, how many 4s are in 48? Are you ready to give me an answer? 3, 2, 1, shout it out. Well done. There are 12 4s in 48. So we are going to finish with 12 split jacks. Everybody up in the household, let's go. Sideways, arms out. 12 split jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, halfway, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Collapse on the floor. Well done, guys. Absolutely cracking effort. Fantastic. You have done superb this session. We have done a lot of physical exercise. A couple of things. 800 plus views yesterday's video, which is amazing. Not that just you're getting active kids, parents, you're getting your kids active, but you're engaging with another subject in the curriculum, maths. Let's hope we can get as many in this video. Tomorrow, 5 o'clock, it will be 6s and 7s. 6s and 7s. I know we are now going into the realms of very much Key Stage 2. There will still be a 2 times, 5 times and 10 times table warm-up. And remember, even if you don't know the maths, you can have a go at it and then everyone can do the physical activity. Last thing. Tomorrow. Again, we're going to give salt and vinegar another try. Okay, salt and vinegar or original. That's a dark horse original. Some people just like original. Okay, so well done. I will see you at 5 o'clock tomorrow. Please stay healthy, stay happy. I know we're only supposed to go outside once and there's so many rules and regulations, but just be kind to each other. Stay active. Ben is back tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the morning. I will see you at 5 o'clock in the evening, afternoon. Go and have a drink. Well done, guys.